Hey everybody, how are you today? Today we're going to be doing my versus mine. A lot of people get confused between my and mine. In order to understand possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns, you have to understand what an adjective is. Do you know what an adjective is? So what is the rule for an adjective? These words are adjectives, but they don't look like them, right? My, your, our, their, her, his, and its. They don't look like adjectives over there. The other ones we'll talk about, but they don't look like adjectives, but they act as an adjective. An adjective plus a noun. The adjective goes before the noun. The adjective describes the noun. Here's an example. An old car. A new car. It's adjective plus the noun. A new car. These words go in front of the person, the place, or the thing. For example, a country. I can say, my country is beautiful and small. Your country is bigger than my country. Our country is rich. Their country is poor. Her country is fun to go to. His country is next to mine. It's my country. So think about it. Its country we'll get into later. But think about it. All those words go in front of the noun. My brother, my sister, my name is, your name is, our food, our people. You see, all the time in front of something. Now, what is the difference between my and mine, your and yours, our, ours, their, theirs, her, hers, his, its? What do you think? What is this? This is a cup. A cup of coffee. Whose cup is it? This is my cup. It is my cup. Here I'm using the word my cup. But again, it goes in front of the noun. Now, look at this. I don't use my, I'm using mine. This cup is mine. So, what is the difference? This is my cup. This cup is mine. This is used before a noun, meaning my cup, your cup, our cup, their cup, her cup, his cup, its cup. So the other one is saying this is not used before a noun. So you're saying, this cup is mine. This cup is mine. This cup is yours. This cup is ours. This cup is theirs. This cup is hers. This cup is his. You must remember there is a S on most of these over here to the side, besides mine and his, but it's yours, ours, theirs, hers, its. It's that possessive S that's there. For example, David's cup. Instead of saying the cup of David, I'm saying David's cup. Now, whose bag is on the table? What do you think? Whose bag is on the table? Now, you have two options. This is her bag, or the bag is hers. Whose shoes are under the chair? Whose shoes are under the chair? What do you think? Two options again. These are his shoes. You can say these shoes are mine, or you can say these shoes are his. These shoes are his. More examples are on the way. Again, my goes in front of the noun. Mine doesn't go in front of the noun. Whose book is this? This is her book. This book is hers. Or it belongs to Sarah. Whose pencil is that? That pencil is hers. Or that is her pencil. Whose laptop is on the desk? The laptop on the desk is hers. It's her laptop. No hers laptop. Her laptop. It belongs to Emma. Thank you for making it this far. If you feel that you need some extra practice, you can go right to my website at davidenglish.info, and I have exercises with answers there, and you're going to be able to just fill them in. It's really nice. For more practice, let me know if you would like that. Reach out to me. And the next lesson is going to be lesson 14 on the past tense with be, using I was, she was, he was, we were, they were, and I'm going to explain to you the past simple. And before you know it, we're going to be getting into more advanced grammar. So if you have made it this far, you're doing great. Keep on going and see you in the next video. Bye for now.